Happy morning all of you. Welcome back in Shri Ganesh online education series. My name is Mr. Khadangle Pankaj. I am teaching you EVS second. Here we are learning chapter number 5, Evolution of Mankind. In this we are learning process of evolution of people or man. Okay, so topic's name is evolution of mankind. In this, yesterday we have learned about Homo sapiens. First we learn about Homo neanderthal man, and then in that we learn Homo sapiens. We have seen that Homo sapien, he is a little bit clever man, and he used to handle bones, wood, all these things he was handling. Again we saw that he was drawing paintings also in the caves. He was intelligent and he was able to think. Who? Homo sapien. Very good. So today we are going to learn next step of evolution of mankind. What? Homo sapiens and civilization. What we are going to learn? Homo sapien. Yesterday we have learned this much only, Homo sapien. Now Homo sapiens and civilization. Okay, and in that sub point is there Homo sapiens. So first of all will open your textbook, page number 22. See, you have to do your study very carefully, because within some days your unit test exam will be there. So you have to be prepared for the exam. Okay, so for that purpose you have to watch your all videos properly. Okay, and whatever homework will be given, that homework in time you have to complete it. Okay, okay, so open your book, page number 22. First of all I'll read it, then we will see. 5.2 Homo sapiens and civilization. Homo sapiens. Homo sapiens is the name given to the humans as their capacity to think develop even further than that of Homo sapiens. The capacity of their brain and their grasping power also develop further with time. See, this much we will see. See, this much name is of a person, one human, Homo sapien. Okay, their category's name it is given, that time, Homo sapiens. So see what they told, Homo sapiens is the name given to humans. That name was given to humans as their capacity to think develop. Their thinking capacity, it was developed even further than that of Homo sapiens, means more than Homo sapiens. Homo sapiens, they were also thinking. Okay, they were also thinking, but this next generation, Homo sapiens, they were thinking more than Homo sapiens. Okay, means their thinking power was developed than Homo sapiens. Understood? Means it was developed. Suppose Homo sapiens, their thinking power is this much. Okay, and Homo sapiens, they are thinking this much, like this. I am telling you in the form of lines. If Homo sapiens are thinking this much, then Homo sapiens are thinking this much. Means their thinking power was developed. Understood? See, the capacity of their brain and their grasping power also develop further with time. The capacity of brain, where is our brain? Here. Okay, the capacity of brain and grasping power. Grasping power means, now whatever I am telling you, you are getting it. Yes, are you getting it? Yes. So you are listening it, you are understanding it. Yes, so this one is your grasping. Okay, so their thinking power and grasping power was increased. Their brain power, their grasping power, it was increased with the time. Further with time means as time was passed, their thinking power was grown. Understood? See. Now next paragraph. We, the modern humans, are, look in your book. We, the modern humans, are Homo sapiens sapiens. Now we, modern people, are Homo sapiens sapiens. We are also thinking, yes, whatever someone is telling, that we can understand immediately. Yes, so this one is our grasping power. Understood? So see, we, the modern humans, are Homo sapiens sapiens. The appearance and health characteristics of human beings indicate their similarity to their ancestors. Now, what is meant by ancestors? See, first I will read it on everything. This is known as heredity. Genetics is a science that studies heredity. Genetic research has shown that we have inherited some traits of the Neanderthal man. Thus, it can be said that the Neanderthal man and Homo sapiens are both ancestors of the modern humans. Around 11,000 to 10,000 BC, Homo sapiens sapiens developed the technique of cultivating land and keeping animals. Because of their well-developed capacity to think, the speed at which they improved their technology increased with time. They began to live a more settled life. They began to grow food grains in the fields. As a result, the amount of carbohydrates in their food increased. Okay, this much we are going to see today. Remaining part tomorrow we are going to learn. See. Now, we, the modern humans, are Homo sapiens sapiens. Okay, means we are also like Homo sapiens sapiens. We are also thinking, our grasping is also developed. The appearance and the health characteristic of human beings indicate their similarity to their ancestors. See, ancestors. Sorry, ancestors. Ancestors, not ancestors. Ancestors. Okay, ancestors means people, those were part of our family. People, those were part of our family. Those are called ancestors. For example, here you are there. Okay, who is this? You are there. You. Before you, who is in your family? Your father. Before your father, grandfather. Before grandfather, grandfather's father. Like this. Okay? Like this, step by step, people were there. They were part of your family. Okay? So those are called, these people are called ancestors. Okay? Suppose here you are and your grandfather, he is your ancestor. His grandfather's father, he is also your ancestor. Means people who were part of your family are called ancestors. Okay? Understood? Simple it is. Okay? So see. What they are told, that health characteristics of human beings indicate appearance and health characteristics. Appearance means how they behave. Okay, see, simple habit, any one habit of your grandfather, that habit is in your father also. Yes, same habit, and same habit it is there in you also. Your father's one habit is there in you also. Yes, grandfather's father's habit, it is there in grandfather. Okay, his any one habit is there in father, father's any habit is in you. Yes, means living style, speaking way, all these things. This one is appearance. Okay, or eyes, mostly eyes. We can see your eyes and your grandfather's eyes are maybe it will be similar. Yes, nose, some people's stomach. Stomach is also part of healthy. Yes, health, it depends on health. If grandfather have big stomach, his son, he will also have stomach, big stomach. Father, he will also he will have big stomach, and automatically you will also have big stomach. Okay, it's like this health issues and appearance. So those are called ancestors. See, this is known as heredity. This is known as heredity. Genetics is a science that studies heredity. In science, genetics, they are studying about heredity. Genetic research has shown that we have inherited some traits of the Neanderthal man, and this genetics research, what they showed, that we have inherited some traits of the Neanderthal man. We have seen Neanderthal man. He was found in Germany at the Neanderthal. So that man is called Neanderthal man. Okay. So we have some characteristic of those Neanderthal mans also. Okay. So see. Thus, it can be said that the Neanderthal man and Homo sapiens are both ancestors. So Neanderthal man and Homo sapiens, they were ancestors. Around 11,000 to 10,000. 11,000 to 10,000 means 1,000 gap is there. BC means before common era or before Christ. Homo sapiens developed their technique of cultivating land and keeping animals. And in this time, Homo sapiens, what they did, they developed cultivating land, technique of developing of cultivating land and keeping animals. How at your house now, cows are there, dogs are there, cat is there. Yes. So to keep those animals. So these Homo sapiens, they have developed this thing, that to cultivate land, keep animals, these things, because of their well-developed capacity to think. And how they did it? Because of their well-developed capacity of thinking. Okay. The speed at which they improved their technology increased with time. The speed at which they improved their technology increased with time. They have improved their technology with the increasing time. As time is increased, technology is also increased. Now here simple example is there. We are also taking education because of technology. Yes, you are at your home, I am in the school, then also you are able to take education. Understood? So this one is the beautiful example of technology. Now they began to live a more settled life, and because of this they began to live more settled life. Means first they were roaming one place to another place, now they were settled at one place. Settled life they were able to live. They began to grow food grains, and what they started, they began to grow food grains because they have cultivated land. Yes. So on that land they had began to grow food grains in the fields. As a result, the amount of carbohydrates in their food increased, and as a result carbohydrates are increased in their food. See, next small paragraph is there, that also we will learn. The changed lifestyle and diet affected the appearance of humans. See, the change in lifestyle and diet. Their diet means whatever they are eating, that is called diet, and change in their lifestyle, the appearance of humans, and because of this Their diet and lifestyle is changed as because of their appearance. Their body and face grew smaller than they had been in the earlier generation. And their body and the face grew smaller. Grew means grew is past tense of grow. Grow, grew. Grow, grew, grown. So their body and face, this one is our face. Body and face grew smaller than they had been in the earlier generation. First it was large, now it is grown little smaller one. Understood? Now, what is your today's homework? Very good, simple, like yesterday. You have to find out any 10 hard words. You have to learn those spellings. You have to pronounce them properly. And those hard words you are going to copy in notebook 3 times. Understood? Again, same homework you can see on the screen at the last. So thanks for watching this video. Thank you very much.